What is up, guys? Space Monkey here, and this is my 8th video. Sorry I've been away for so long. I was just on vacation with family, but when I just logged on to Gorilla Tag, I saw an update. So I wondered what the update was. And when I came into here, forest lava. I have no clue what that means. So I'm guessing that there's something with forest. I have no idea, guys. Yo! What the? What the heck? Did like a new map or something? What the? What if you just... What are these? Hey, dude. What are you even supposed to do with these? Like, put them in here? Whoa! Wait a minute, what? Curry. Maybe if you overflow it, it takes over the map. Oh shoot, we gotta hurry up. Ah! What even is this? Yo! Wait a minute, what? Whoa! Wait! What? Ah! What the heck? What the heck? This is not Gorilla Tag anymore, guys. This is actually so cool. I didn't think they'd do this. I actually did not think they'd do this. Okay, I cannot try. I'm gonna try not to touch the lava now. No, that's hard. No, dang it. Okay, I'm gonna have to try to get over there without touching the ground. Okay. Do a loop around. That's cool. Imagine if that thing started like flowing into forest. This is actually so cool. Yeah. Wait, did it? Oh, wait, did it overflow caves? Did it? Wait. That's weird. Wait. Check all the maps. You see the volcano from here? You can't. Okay, I don't think you can. I think you can only see it from from this place, whatever it's called. I don't know. I have short-term memory loss. Forest. There it is. Forest. Okay, anyways. Let's do all the holdables first. Ooh, a free badge. Okay, that should be all of them. Have what the heck? It's cool. Whoa! Do you guys see that? Oh, I actually really like this badge. It's cool. Free too. Whoa. It's weird. What? That's cool. That's actually really cool. Juice. Oh! It's like a shell. Wait, what? Did you guys hear that sound? You listen to it. You hear that? They go. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Goes from cool to like it goes from like decent size to skitty. It's a hat. I should totally wear this. How much is it? 1,800. 3,000. Never mind. Okay. Okay, time for the hats. Okay. Ew, what the? This is like a burnt farmer's hat. Oh, like a. Whoa! I'm like a fake astronaut. I kind of like this thing though. This actually kind of looks like a space shirt, so this would go good with my thing. I might buy this. Dun. Oh, oh! This is like a scientist or something. that's it. Okay. Now, see if the thing's still there. The lava's gone. Okay. Should we try to play a quick round of don't touch the lava? Oh no, the ground is lava. Don't. Ground is lava. It's almost about to overflow. Curry. Okay, you gotta hurry. What the? Oh no! Oh shoot! This doesn't even look like gorilla tag anymore. Okay, so I have to try to make it from all the way over here to stop. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. It's gonna be easy for a pro like me. To let everyone know that I did it. Oh, he's trying to get up here. I did it! Woo! Well, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next update. Ah! All right, see you guys.